how to turn on or turn off call barring for all outgoing calls on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then open up the phone app. After that, tap on the More button and choose Settings. In Call Settings, we scroll down and tap on Supplementary Services. In here, tap on Call Barring. Then tap on All Outgoing Calls. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now, depending on your network provider, they may or may not allow you to change the call barring services. Finally, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.